beautiful day to dance. Whoa, do you see that bird? That's a big bird. Hello? Hello? What is your name? Hummingbird. Hummingbird? Well, nice to meet you, Hummingbird. Nice to meet you too. So what are we doing? Okay, so I'm gonna hold on to your feet and you're gonna fly. Woo, 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 woo. Whoa, I've never been in the air like this. Well, I've been holding on to trees, that's it. Jeeps. Oh. Well, that was fun. Yeah, I guess. So, okay, time to poop there. Okay. There, poop is on the camera. Ew, that's disgusting. That's really gross. Or you can fly, you don't smell it because you're flying. Well, yeah, that is true. Okay. Then how are you smelling it? I don't know. Whee! Okay, so bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. All new viewers who watched the that one video, make sure to like and subscribe because you people are amazing. So like and subscribe. 3 views, like and subscribe. You people are amazing. And bye, and also thank you for all the support. And bye.